Hey guys, so I'm back and I wanted to show you all this new product I'm trying. It's called DERMAFLASH and it's supposed to be a system that helps exfoliates with your skin as well as remove peach fuzz. Now this is an Allure Best Beauty product, so I'm really interested in trying this. It's DERMAFLASH 2.0. And in a clinical study, significant improvement was instantly observed in toning, texture, radiance, smoothness, peach fuzz, and overall appearance. You guys know that I shave my face. I will also link my previous shaving face video in the link below. But I wanted to give this new device a try because it is said to, I feel like it does the same thing that it would with the eyebrow razor, but the device itself has pulsating speeds as well as interchangeable razor blades for sanitation purposes. The device comes with a pre-flash cleanser as well as the post-flash moisturizer. You guys know that your skin should be clean as well as dry in order to really get the peach fuzz off your face. The device also comes with 4 disposable razors. So the device comes like this. It does not have the razor on it, but it comes just like this. There's the power button. Here is the eject button for the razor blade that you will be putting on this device. So for the razor, I took this off so I could charge the bottom half of this, but here's my razor blade. And I'm just going to slide that in right here. You guys heard that click. And as I mentioned, here's the power button. This is the first speed. Here's the second speed. I'm kind of nervous of that faster pulsating speed, so I'm just going to stick with the first speed. Now this is my first time trying it, so you guys will be seeing my first impressions first. Okay, so most of you know that I'm a hairy woman. You don't necessarily have to be a hairy woman, but it's really great for makeup application. It really helps get moisture into those pores better when you shave your face and there's nothing, no hair, anything on it. It's one of the best things I feel like I've incorporated into my skincare. You'll want to hold your skin in the opposing direction. You can just use swift methods. You guys can hear that. I can. Wow. I'm really scared about how that would. I'm not sure if you guys can like see the hair that's came off just by doing just a little bit of my right cheek. So far, so good. I think it's gotten most of my peach fuzz off. So I'm finished with my demo. My skin feels smoother for sure. So I'm going to, for the sake of this video, I'm going to try their post-splash moisturizer. I typically use my own moisturizer, but I'm going to try their moisturizer and see how it feels. Post-splash. This. Most times when you like shave your face or do a dermaplaning type system like this, it typically will soak up all types of moisture that you do and makes your skin and makeup look so much better. Doesn't really have a bad smell, it's pretty good. Okay, so here is the finished look. All my peach fuzz is gone, even my sidelines look evenly shaped. They don't look wild, they don't look crazy, any of that. So I like the device. The device itself retails for like $199. So it is a bit expensive. I'd recommend if this is a routine that you have in your skincare routine, that it's a great device. I love the pulsing. I was a little intimidated at first, but I do like it. So those are my final thoughts. And if you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. There will be other videos like this, and if you do like my skincare demos, let me know that too. I feel like since I've added this step into my routine, I feel like my skin has been very smooth, very clear. It has also rid my skin of like blemishes and just any texture that I have that may have came from the peach fuzz. So yeah, I think you guys should check it out.